Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Muskik here, hope you're doing well. Tonight, I thought I'd do a request video that I've been meaning to do for quite a while now, but I pretty much forgot about it, to be honest, so apologies for that. And just as a warning, there might be a bit of sniffling and coughing. I have another cold for the third time this year. Yay! So yeah. Anyways, what we're gonna try and do tonight, we are gonna see how this thing does on Windows 7. And I want to do the original install, but it's gonna be very hard for me to explain what's what when everything is in Japanese. So what we're gonna try and do instead is put a regular Windows 7 install, preferably Home Premium, like what this thing came with, and install a few things, applications and stuff. I don't know if we'll do gaming tonight, just because I don't have that many games on my USB stick here, but we can give it a try, I guess. Oh yeah, let's see what happens. First off, there is one thing that I do want to do, and that is show how NovaBench does, the older version that I was supposed to try on Windows 10, and then we will start the process. So let's do that. Okay, here we go. Sorry about the Mario effect, I realized that earlier. Not sure why my phone likes to do that sometimes. But I did run this earlier, and I was pretty surprised with the results, to say the least. Let's see how it does. I will let the camera keep on going just to see, because I don't really show how quickly these machines do it, and I don't think that's really fair, is it now? But yeah, I'm hoping to make this video pretty quick. Oh, look at the graphics. 115? 130? Whoa, that is pretty good. It was surprisingly good. Wow, enough. I am surprised. I didn't think... Oh, whoa, okay, this is a much better score than I got last time. Last time I ran this I got a score of 501. Now we got a score of 571, which is, that's pretty close to what the HP got, if I remember correctly, that HP Pavilion Tower. But yeah, graphics score of 31, again, pretty low, but still much better than some of the other machines that we've tried lately. CPU score of 356, that's really good. RAM score, not as high as I thought it would be, and this is quite low as well, considering we have an SSD in this thing, so I'm gonna have to try and see if this thing is in HDMI mode or not before I actually do the install. But yeah, and just as a little quick thing here, if we close this, my bad, I am so stupid, jeez. So if I go in here, you can see that I have saved the wallpaper here, so I guess we have a little savior of a little memory from the original install, huh? What is this nonsense? Get out of here. Edit your images using AI. No thank you. But yeah, so we got that, so I think we're ready to go. Let's do it, guys. Yes. Jeez. Alright, here we are to the Windows installer. I did check the BIOS to see if there was a AHCI or an ID like option, but looks like this thing can only support IDE, so that does suck. But oh well. Oh yeah, excuse the background noise. It's always warm in this room. I never can get it cool enough. Yeah. Let me do all this stuff and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Actually, I'll show you this list of totally legal activated versions of Windows here. I think we will go with that. Thank you very much. I haven't tried to see if this one works, but I know the ultimate one works. And yeah, these were made by the original recovery discs, so I'm gonna have to delete it all now and go and do all of this. So yeah, let me go do this, and we'll hopefully be back and into Windows properly. Hopefully. Uh-oh, this is not a good sign. I'm gonna have to see what the issue is. Uh-oh. Oh dear. What's going on? This doesn't look good, guys. Okay, so I've restarted the PC and this message just keeps on showing up. So what I'm gonna try and do is see if a different version of Windows 7 will run. And if that doesn't work, then I think we're just gonna have to call it a night and, you know, probably just put the original install on it. Oh dear. Let's see if I can get another version to work, hopefully. Okay, that was quite nerve-wracking. At least we have Windows 7 Ultimate working just fine. So let me just go forward and do all the normal stuff, hopefully get some drivers, and then we'll run no revenge and just a few games and that's it. Well, let's do it. Okay, so here we are in Snappy Driver. Looks like everything is showing up, so that's good. You can see one thing, or two things that aren't really working here. I'm guessing this is the spursengine. Oh well, it was bound to happen, to be honest, but everything else is here. Sound already works, surprisingly. Very strange. No internet as usual, but let's see if everything will work after the install. That's a bit better, isn't it? Excuse me. Got the wallpaper and everything. I have not done any of the legacy update things or anything. Just restarted it after the driver install, and I do not have enough time to install some games right now. I'll probably do that last, and then I'll make a short on this thing to see how it's doing, and unplug the charger just for a little bit, and it looks like it's still holding a charge, so epic. Hopefully it will continue to do so for a while. I will show the device manager after this so we can have a look at what actually installed, although you can see the numbers are a bit higher now. That is quite epic to see as well. I think we're gonna get somewhere in the 600s now compared to what we saw earlier. Aww, 577. Man, that sucks. I thought we'd get something better. Oh well. Let me open the device manager and let's see what's in there. Well, that's a bit interesting. I mean, we saw these two not being able to get their appropriate drivers, but I think, yep, all these work. Yep. Mute button? Nope, mute button doesn't work. Wireless button doesn't work, and the eco button doesn't work as well. That sucks. It's probably due to the spursengine not working properly. I don't know. LAN isn't. The Ethernet port controller is not working either. Very strange. But we got Wi-Fi, so I guess we'll have to call it at that for now. Sorry, that is a bit of a disappointment, but I guess we've finally been able to put it on its appropriate operating system. Hopefully I'll have some more stuff to show in the short video, And yeah, that's about it for this one, guys. As usual, feel free to like and subscribe. Nobody's forcing you to, as usual, as in typical Utmost Geek fashion. We don't do that stuff around here, but yeah. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you in the next one video. Bye for now.